finally, what all South Africans have been waiting for has happened. The court has passed the final verdict on the highly controversial businessman at the center of a 360 million rands police tender storm, Vusimuzi cat Matlala. For months, his name has dominated headlines, whispered in corruption allegations, political intrigue, and explosive testimony before Parliament. And now, the Gauteng High Court has delivered a decision that has sent shockwaves across the country. What really happened inside that courtroom? How did a multimillion rand tender unravel into accusations, investigations, and now a dramatic eviction order? And what does this mean for the powerful figures implicated alongside him? Please watch till the end for the full gist, and don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section. The fallout from the collapsed R360 million police tender continues to deepen, with the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria now ordering the eviction of Vusimuzi cat Matlala's company, Medicare 2420 district, from its plush Menlyn Maine offices. The ruling comes after months of financial strain, a cancelled contract, and explosive allegations about political and police corruption linked to the businessman. Menlyn Maine Towers hauled Medicare 24 to court after the company failed to honor its rental obligations, arguing that Matlala owed R258,890 in accumulated charges. Payment problems reportedly began in June 2024, shortly after the R360M police healthcare tender, awarded to Matlala earlier that year, began drawing public scrutiny. The contract itself was cancelled in May, leaving Medicare 24 in a financial crisis that ultimately spilled into the courts. Judge Colleen Collis presided over the matter on Monday and granted an eviction order. The court declared the immediate ejection of the respondent Medicare 24 and all persons claiming occupation under it. The Sheriff of the Honourable Court be authorised to enforce eviction and be accompanied by the South African Police Service if necessary. In addition to eviction, Menlyn Maine Towers secured the right to claim Medicare 24's movable property as compensation and received confirmation that Matlala must pay the outstanding R258,890 plus interest. According to court papers, the property company attempted to limit further losses by cancelling the lease in July 2025, issuing a formal notice for Medicare 24 to vacate. Yet by November 21, the premises remained occupied, prompting the legal push that resulted in this week's ruling. Attorneys for Menlyn Maine, Marie Attorneys, confirmed the company's continued occupation well beyond the cancellation deadline. The courtroom defeat adds to Matlala's mounting controversies. Speaking before Parliament's ad hoc committee, he testified that he spent roughly R2 million a month on salaries and operational costs across his businesses. But it was the testimonies before the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, probing allegations of criminal infiltration in the justice cluster, where his name consistently surfaced in troubling accounts. Witnesses portrayed Matlala as a money tree, alleging that he paid bribes to senior police officials to secure the R360M tender. Further claims placed him at the center of a network shielded by elements within the police service. Among the most inflammatory allegations was his assertion that former police minister Becky Seal was an extortionist who demanded R1M after assisting him in retrieving items seized during a December 2024 raid. That operation, conducted jointly by KwaZulu-Natal's Political Killings Task Team and Gauteng officers, resulted in guns registered to his security firm being confiscated and later returned. Matlala also acknowledged paying about R150,000 toward the ANC's January 8 celebrations in Cape Town, a payment made to Brown Magotsi, who presented himself as a close associate of suspended police minister Sensumshanu. With the court now authorizing Medicare 24's removal from its Menlyn offices, the pressure around Matlala's business dealings and political associations is tightening. The eviction marks yet another visible consequence of a tender saga still unraveling through legal forums, parliamentary structures, and a commission tasked with exposing what may be one of the most significant policing corruption scandals in recent years.